to the victims. And the victim will be very hard to rebuild their passion for life. As I said just now, that bullying not a serious problem to some people because we don't simply see the image. But do you know, effect of the bullying can stay later for years. Bullying is not cool, bro. Bullying is what makes you cool. In the Quran Surah Ibrahim verses 42, Allah says, "And never think that Allah is heedless of the what wrongers do. Verily Allah gives them respite until the day when their eyes widen at the sake of the truth." During this time, the effect of the bullying keeps corrupting the soul of the victim. And I'm sure that something is going to happen to us, right? So let's avoid bullying.